2-cone fountain. These are the 1.4 gram candles. Two Ninja. Ball. This is the mine. Red and green on the crackle. Red and green dragon. So. Crackle again. Silver dragon. Okay, I had these 2 boxes the other day. It's 15, that's 10. So just give my thoughts after I fired them. It's just the mine missing from this box. So in this one you had 2 7-shot barrages, 3 candles, 2 cones, 2 silver dragons, 3 of these fountains, and a mine which has disappeared. So it's more or less the same as that box. And you pay an extra for it. You're just getting a mine in it basically. You're losing a rocket and you're getting a mine. So it's not, I wouldn't say, you know, if you've got a choice of these 2 boxes, I'd go for that one. If you can get it at the right price, that is. It's crackling in all the fountains except the cone fountains, which are quite nice. Considering there's only 1.4 grams of powder in them, they shot up and didn't just flop out. That wasn't too bad either, you know, considering. And they're fine for what they are. But I wouldn't buy it again, I don't think. Okay, bye.